morning, my dear students. Welcome to the offline class. Last class we have discussed in linear equations in one variable. In that exercise 3.1, 3.2 also solved. Up to 13 problems I solved. Okay, now take down the 14th problem. What they are given here. 14 exercise 3.2 14th problem. In that page number 40 they are given clearly. 14. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. Here Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominations rupees 100, rupee 50 and rupee 10. Here Lakshmi is a cashier. She with the amount rupee 100 notes and rupee 50 and rupee 10 respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes, here how much ratio they are given. I said if they ask ratio means you have to take the x. 2:3:5. The total cash with the Lakshmi is, here total cash how much is there? 4 lakh. How many notes of each denomination does she have? Here you have to find how much notes she have. 100 notes how much, 50 notes how much and 10 notes. Write down. Let the number of, here exercise 3.3 14th problem. Write down. Let the number of notes, let the number of notes rupees how much, 100, whatever they are given, write down rupee 100, 50 and rupee 10. B, here they are given 2:3:5. Okay, write down 2x, 3x and 5x respectively. Okay, here value of rupee 100. How much here? For 100 you have to take 2x, for 50 you have to take 3x and also for 10 you have to take 5x. Okay, write down 2x into 10. Sorry, 2x into 100. 100 2s are 200x as it is. Write down. Next, value of rupee 50. For 50 I said for 100 you have to take 2, for 50 you have to take 3, for 10 you have to take 5x. Means here rupee 50, here 3x. 3x into 50 you will get 150x. Next, value of rupee 10. Means here 5x into 10. Means 10 5s are 50x. Total 200, 150 plus 50 you will get total 400x. Okay, write down according to the question what they are given. Here sum of the notes, add the 200x plus 150x plus 50x is equal to total how much they are given? 4 lakh. Okay, now do the common calculation. 200x plus 150x plus 50x, it will be 400x is equal to 4 lakh. X is equal to 4 lakh divided by 400. Means you will get 2 0 will get cancelled, 4 also will get cancelled. You will get x should be 1000. Now multiply the, here whatever they are given. Means here 100 notes how much? 1000 2s are 2000. 100 notes how much? 2000. 50 notes will be 3000 and also 10 notes will be 5000. Write down last line. Number of 100 notes, I will write here. Number of rupee 100 notes. How much? 2 into, otherwise write down 2x is equal to 2 into x value. X how much is there? 1000. 2 into 1000 you will get 2000. Next, number of rupee 50 notes is equal to, here 3x. 3 into 1000. X value 1000, you will get 3000 notes. Next, number of rupee 10 notes. You will get here 5x. 5 into 1000, here 5000 notes. Okay, now we solved the 100 notes how much, 50 notes how much and 10 notes how much. Next, 15th problem. Here I have a total of rupee 300 in coins of denominations. Here rupee 1, rupee 2 and rupee 5. The number of rupee 2 coins how much, and is 3 times the number of rupee 5 coins. Here we don't know the how much exact value of 5 coins, that we have to take x. The total number of coins is 160. Here they are given total number of coins how much, 160. How many coins of each denomination are with me? Here total how much coins is there, you have to find. Write down. Let the number of write the number of rupee 5 coins is equal to x. Okay, for rupee 2, number of rupee 2 coins. Last problem we solved the note, but in this problem they are given coins calculation. 3x. Number of rupee 1, they are given here clearly rupee 1 coin, and total number how much they are given, 160. Here total number of coins will be 160, but add here rupee 5 and rupee 2, you will get here 1x plus 3x, you will get 160 minus 4x. Okay, next value of rupee 5 coin. Okay, multiply here rupee 5 will be 2, or here x is there. Okay, x into 5, you will get 5x. Next value of rupee 2 coin. 2 will be 3x. 3x into 2, you will get 6x. Next rupee 1 coin. Value of rupee 1 coin is equal to 160 minus 4x into 1, you will get same 160 minus 4x. Okay, here value find out according to the question, you have to add the numbers according to the question. Here 5x, total you have to add 5x plus 6x, 160 minus 4x. 5x plus 6x plus 160 minus 4x is equal to total how much they are given, 300. Okay, now in this x calculate first x value. See 5x plus 6x minus 4x means 5 plus 6 11, 11 minus 4 will be 7x. Directly I will write 7x is equal to 300 minus 160. 7 here plus 160 will be minus 160. Next 7x is equal to 300 minus 160, it will get 140. You will get x is equal to 140 here, into is there means should be divide. 7 ones are 7 twos are 40, 0 means we will get x should be 20. Here number of coins, number of rupee 5 coin. Write down last line, number of rupee 5 coin. Here say rupee 5 coin, here x into 5 is equal to 5x. Here x should be 20. Here 5 into 20 means 100. Otherwise you have to take directly. Why? Because 5x is there, x should be 1. Here you have to take is equal to 20. Rupee 5 coins will be how much total? 20. Okay. And next 16. The organizers of an essay competition decide that the winner in the competition gets prize of rupee 100. Participant who does not win get a prize of rupee 25. The total prize money distributed is rupee 3000. Total prize should be here 3000. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants is 63. Here you have to find competitors how much they are given, and also their prize money also. Here total 3000 they are given. Find the number of winners. We don't know here winners. Find the winners, and also if the total number of participants, how many members are there, they are given 63. Okay, write down. let the number of winners, here we don't know the number of winners, that we have to take x. Here total number of participant who did not win, you have to take, here total will be 63 minus x, and also total money given to the winner. Here total money how much, here 100x you have to take. Why? Because rupee 100 prize money they are get, that's why you have to take 100x. Total money given to the participant who did not win, here you have to multiply, total will be 25, means 25 into 63 minus x. According to the question, what we are getting, 100x plus 25 into 63 minus x is equal to 3000. Next do the common calculation. Here the number of winners 19 you will get. Okay, I am given the clue. Here last problem in this exercise, exercise 3.2. It's a last problem. You have to solve. Take the homework. I think all of you understood exercise 3.2 up to 16 problems. Okay, complete the notes. Thank you.